We're ready to roll with maps in our hands and dreams in our soul. We follow the clues, we dig through the past. Pirate ships, wagons, these legends will last. Hidden chambers of gold that's untold. We're chasing adventure, we're chasing the gold. We're the real treasure hunters. A crew of goofy friends living the dream. We're the real treasure hunters. The treasure hunting adventure team. We're the real treasure hunters. We'll chase the gold through luck and mire. We're the real treasure hunters. Treasure hunting is our desire.
Usually it's nothing.
She's got her thermal imagery on, and it's...
Is it okay if I film?
Yeah,
You
absolutely.
think it's making up nervous? Tom?
Well, this is the thermal.
There's something going on here.
It's underground. Look at it.
Because there's a peak on the EMF reader and there's also a peak on the thermal, which is interesting because there shouldn't be.
Probably hitting a dead cow that got shot. That's what we're picking up is the spray from the shotgun.
Yeah, it's real hot, especially here.
Right where we have
Oh,
the mark?
using a thermal?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at that.
What would cause that? To be to glow like that red.
It's the heat. It's definitely the heat. There's something hot underneath, but there shouldn't be anything hot underneath. Is that on there?
Gina, what's that you're using there?
This right here is a thermal imaging, and this right here is a EMF detector.
Okay.
So this one checks electromagnetic fields, and this one is basically just picking up on heat signatures.
So we're trying to reach like paranormal activity, see if we can get any sort
Yeah,
of
just trying to see if there's any like
guidance.
fluctuations in cold or heat,
Right.
because that usually
Oh, it's good like that. I
says
think from the
something
low
is
light, I
around.
think it look like a thumb.
Yeah.
I think I misspelled
Yeah, this area right there is.
There's something about this,
Yeah,
huh?
there's something about that because
miracle
it's
now.
cold around it, and then this little section right
we
here
find
is hot. That could be something metal underneath
Yeah.
that's heating up and heating up the
Go
ground.
back where?
Something's a little weird here.
It's a good question. I'm going to say
It's like this
probably
spot right here.
There's a little mound there too, you see it?
Yeah,
Like it was dug or something?
yeah. That's exactly what I was thinking. I was like, it kind of looks like a little depression here too. Mark that.
So we gotta scan this.
Yeah, it's funny because they keep on.
It said my last name.
Drawing you there?
They keep on told her that that's the only way they know to identify me is my last name, because they can't say my first name. It's not in the dictionary.
Well, if it's not in the dictionary, I'm pretty sure Mike can say it.
He's the professional metal detector. Metal detector. The fuck you say that word? Metal detectionist.
It's just a word, Mike. You have problems with all of them.
Just like Panther.
Yeah.
Panther key. There's an H in Panther. Panther.
Yes, very good.
He invents a lot of words, I don't know. Faces in fog. Interesting.
What you saying that? That's how it sounded like came through.
Yeah.
Like yeah. She was just saying something like that. That's how they visit. It says, do you think I'm real and I visit is what it was asking Aaron. And you know he has a blessed cross. You know when it says God protects this area?
Yes.
Was we were walking through that way, and it was as we were walking past Aaron and Mike.
So growing up, I
It says
was
pray.
what did it say?
No.
Oh, so growing up, my mom was a Catholic school teacher. I was a altar boy.
Yeah.
All that whole spiel, and my priest is now the bishop where I'm from, and was blessed by him.
That's so cool.
So Gina's getting something over here.
Nice. I
Yeah,
notice
right
these
over
guys
here.
are constantly around this area.
Up towards.
Up towards the front of the house.
This is. I always like paranormal stuff, man. I'm a believer of everything. You got to tell me that it's not. Make me believe that it's not real. I believe in Bigfoot, UFOs, everything you can think of.
Yeah, we do it all. We do it all. We cover it all, right?
You gotta
Supernatural,
You got to believe anything's possible in today's times. Anything is
Yeah.
possible. You know what I mean?
And there's been too many
Feels like there's
coincidences too with what Gina has found
Well,
in
this says
the story.
settlement.
Well,
Something about
Gina's
settlement
proved to
period.
me a lot from past
Our
readings that we
settlement.
had
So
from
there
her.
was a settlement
It's
period.
pretty damn accurate.
Yeah,
something about somebody
for sure.
buried back there, but I'm also getting drawn back this way.
Oh, there's a cemetery back there. That's
Dead
why.
body. Oh, okay, I was curious. I
That's where
just
you're
feel
seeing
a
lots
lot
of
of dead
bodies.
bodies. I'm like, what is
There's
going
the cemeteries, the city
Yeah,
cemeteries right out here.
Okay.
Traveling.
Okay.
That's probably
All
why
right.
we're getting all
I'm
right.
gonna-
names,
It's
too.
something right here, Mike.
Yeah, that would make sense.
What did you say? Right about here?
This depression. Like right here.
Yeah, I was picking up a.
I think it was right here.
Yeah, like right over here.
You haven't sent anything along that down.
I did a couple different spots. There was it's more like in front of the fence line over here. Ancient curse.
Hey, Mike.
It is.
See that entrance right there?
The tree?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty long.
Any particular area right here?
Run into a tree and went up.
I think she was right near where it's down a little bit.
Right here?
The
Yeah.
Depression. The Great Depression.
Let's see where that thermal hit.
Tree root. I can throw it all the way over here. Tree root. There you go. That's sugar sand.
All right, I don't think it's gonna be that far down. I'm telling you, he only buried it maybe 3 feet, 4 feet tops.
It's actually right there. I'm gonna check right here because there's a heat signature right there.
Oh, I was gonna say I took my thermal. I got thermal. I took it out of the truck though. When I was cleaning my truck out for Shinosi.
Do you have your metal detector here?
I don't know what I did with it. My son's got it. I was over by my truck. I have a thermal.
Oh, guys, it's hard.
That's hard right there?
Yeah.
That's where you're getting heat, Gina?
Yeah, that's exactly where I'm getting heat.
You wanna try it there?
See? There's like a little patch right there.
Yeah.
You're going down.
Oh, yeah.
This is the manual labor part that Mike don't like.
No, I don't. Oh, but something there. Can't get past it.
Come this way a little bit. Right there. See what happens.
Yeah, 'cause that's
Oh,
right.
it's bending the thing. Wow, look at that.
Oh,
It's so the top layer is really coarse because it's been worked and it's been walked on and trampled and stuff like that. But as soon as you get through that first foot and a half, it's sugar sand after that.
It said water.
Major resistance, Mike.
No, it's going through.
But you see it, Gina's thing's getting heat.
We
like
need
it's
probably
Yeah.
we need to probably take a shovel out.
hot. Get the top off.
Yeah.
Other spots in the yard were like
Yeah.
that too, really. Like embers, hot embers or something underground.
Gage.
They said, I'm outside water, so it said.
Oh, we're getting
Yeah.
super spikes right now. Oh, it
What do
just
you
went
do
down
with the
again.
shovel?
It just went up to like 3 point
After
we
something.
get
Yeah. Like it shouldn't be at 1.
Where is it?
There's no way. It should be at
What's your
1.
shovel?
So
The
crazy.
spikes are energy.
Yeah. Yeah, because there's no, if you have like an electric line running through,
Yeah.
you would pick like something up, but there's no electric back here.
Shovel.
And it's,
I
look,
think
see,
so, that too.
1.3. Oh shoot, it just went,
Picking up
it just
right
went
here,
away.
This whole spot.
But yeah, like
It's picking up the EMF here.
it's getting higher here.
Wow.
I see the lights.
See?
Who's beeping?
Did it turn on? See, it's just going a little bit higher in this section. See,
Go
1.3?
over it.
Mike, I can't stomp this.
And
down.
it's fluctuating too. That's not normal.
I can't
That's
stop
like
this
spirit energy or something.
Why?
So they're right here probably.
'cause I almost
Yeah,
broke
it's
my
like
ankle
right
last
here.
week.
Guiding or either throwing us for a loop?
Yeah, because as soon as you like step back, it's not as bad. Yeah, we're back to 2.3.
Mike's breaking the surface. See if we get different readings.
Mike is penetrating the surface.
Yeah.
Now, is it still red as he's digging? Are you
No.
noticing like there's stuff on top?
Look at how cold it is. That everything he's digging up is cold.
So I wonder, so it's not showing anything deeper
I
than,
almost broke my
Nope,
fucking ankle.
just surface stuff.
so now it's just,
Want me to get a shiny plate and
so
massage
now
it?
it's no longer
Or no, you
reading like
can't massage it.
the
Dude, my
heat
whole foot was
signature?
purple. Shannon's
no.
pissed off at me because she found
Wow,
out.
what is
Ankle.
that then?
It's just because the ground is cold. So they're digging up the ground and putting it outside. So see how the outside
Yeah.
ground that was dug up is
But
like
it's still
light.
pretty red and down in there though? Or no?
It shouldn't be. But I don't.
Yeah, holy cow.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh, it's really dark down there.
Look at that. There's. It shows up in the center. Wait a minute. You see how there's like little hot spots though, right?
Yeah.
What is that about?
Something in there.
What is that? Is it here?
Yeah, I see that.
So,
Like I don't feel a temperature
let me
difference.
explain our first episode,
Right.
our first paranormal
Check this
episode
out.
to you.
Come back around this side. You can see the. Show them
If
on
you've
the
ever
thing.
watched it, basically what happened was we
See
went
the
to the
spots in
cemetery
there?
in Mayaka, and
There's like heat spots inside.
every time that I walked away, the spirit box would go crazy. But when I
That's
came close,
wild.
it went silent.
It's gonna be my thumbnail.
Literally.
You check.
So I went to
Oh,
put my
let
chain
me
in the
take
truck,
some more.
and then when I came back, it looked like a spirit crawled right in my body. That's Mike. Todd actually was freaked out and was getting ready to leave.
Yes, he did.
You guys experienced something before?
Yeah, when we did our first episode at Mayaka
Yeah.
Cemetery,
Uh-huh.
my chain was blessed,
Right.
and every time I would walk up, the spirit box would go silent. And when I walked away, spirit box would keep going again.
Wow.
Well, I took my chain off, put it in the vehicle,
Yeah.
and came back, and it looked like a spirit crawled up my body.
Wow.
So,
They saw it on like an equipment?
yeah, on the equipment that they had. Because at that time we were using Josh. I don't remember the name of his company. But you can look at one of our earlier episodes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Trying to find it.
Yeah, it was crazy. It was real crazy. I even mentioned it. I'm like, listen, my chain was blessed. I'm gonna take my chain off.
Sure.
I put my chain off, and when I come back, everything just goes crazy.
Wow.
Hey, spike it one more time towards that side.
Which one? This side?
Yeah.
But now you were just bouncing each other. Days
Keep going. Yeah, it's all just sugar syrup.
Yeah.
She said, because she said.
Are they bringing a tractor that you know?
I told him to hold off until we.
Oh yeah, I just saw dirt
You did?
from the top in there, and that's what sheeted up.
Yep.
No, I know it's fall again.
So your top layer is going to be hotter than your bottom.
Yeah.
Can we dig this back in?
It's thermal cooling. That's why they used to bury like
So we always
closets.
fill,
That's why they used to bury like vegetable closets and stuff like that in ground.
we always fill our holes. Proper
Ice house.
treasure hunting etiquette right here.
Yeah.
Never leave holes in the ground.
This marks the first time ever that Mike Catus was ever filled in a hole.
Shut up. That is not true.
The first time ever. Name one other time.
I've done it a lot. I do it all the time.
Bullshit. Excuse the language, but bullshit. Listen, there's a whole TV show that shows him not even touching a shovel except for it to go like this right here.
Who filled the holes in? You did?
Yeah.
Something is wrong.
Is that where
Yeah.
Marty?
Yeah. I filled in. Listen, we dug this huge hole, and I filled it in almost all by myself. And then one of the guys helped me.
Mr. Bullshitter over here.
Mr. Bull, really?
What did Marty do?
He watched.
He watched.
No, he dug too.
He
man.
dug a little bit for filming purposes.
After the hole was dug?
Hit it.
Oh, you didn't mean it literally?
Do I need to dig it deeper?
No. Holy shit.
What?
There was a spot there that like I hit like, yeah,
Okay, like a void?
like a, yeah, like right there. It literally just went,
That's a void.
like,
Holy shit. There's something, a hole there, bro.
oh, let me watch.
Go wider. Let me go
Go a little wide. Go over here.
That could be something. That could be definitely something.
Give me a box. So I know where something was.
Yeah, so Shannon was, so I stepped out of my truck onto this landscape rock,
Right.
a big piece of coral,
Yeah.
and my ankle touched the ground before my foot did.
Oh.
So,
You probably snapped some tendons and whatnot. That's more painful than a break.
that's the same the whole way. Not even close to what the one was. Let me go this way. Whoa,
Went through again?
Mike, push that down. No, one hand.
That's strange.
That's weird.
Yeah, that is weird. It looks like there's
Getting no resistance, huh?
So there's a
Yes.
spot about that big where literally the whole thing's down.
Right. And then it's not going.
No watch.
Like butter right there?
No, he's forcing that one. It's nothing like that one.
Getting some there?
Did you just say boring?
You say boring.
It sounded like boring.
It says, do you believe we are real?
Yes,
We definitely believe.
That's why we're here.
Yes.
Are you guys gonna help us find it?